Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can track order with N8n, so let's get started. First, log into your N8n account and create a new workflow. Now, add a trigger node depending on where your orders are coming from. For example, if you're using Shopify, search for the Shopify trigger node, or if your orders are stored in a Google Sheet, add the Google Sheets trigger. Once your trigger is set up, connect it so that every time a new order is placed, it will fire this workflow. Next, add a function or set node to extract useful details like the order ID, customer name, and status. After that, connect an output node to send this information where you want to track it. For example, you can add an email node to get order updates directly in your inbox, a Slack node to push order notifications to your team, or even a Google Sheets node to log every order in real time. Once everything is linked, click on Execute Workflow to test if it's pulling the order correctly and sending the update. If it works fine, activate the workflow so it runs in the background automatically. Now, every time a new order is placed, you'll have automated tracking set up without needing to check your store dashboard manually. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.